Bobby's lunch for tomorrow. This is chicken and egg salad and some salt and pepper on it. I'm just mixing it up. I will link the video on how I made the sandwich spread that he likes. You know, because he's picky about that. I put the bread on the side because it gets soggy in the fridge. He likes pickled jalapenos, so there's a whole pickled jalapeno and lettuce and tomatoes in case he wants them. And they're salt and peppered tomatoes, so I'm sure he'll probably eat those anyway. All right, this and this and this go in the fridge. A clean spoon and napkins and the bread all go in his lunchbox. And he'll pull this out tomorrow. I'm fixing to make his cold brew coffee, which I can also link on how to do that the night before. So you don't have to deal with it in the morning. Just easy peasy, get up, go. Done. All right, have a good night, everyone.